Hello and welcome to Johnny English. So today I'm going to talk about that very lazy sound in English and that very complicated in the sense that it's difficult to know how to say it sound in English that is the most common vowel sound in our language, and it's the schwa sound. This lazy schwa, which is at the end of many of our words, those that finish with ER, OUR, that forms the schwa sound. It's a kind of sound. And also in many of our words, in the middle of them, you will find this sound. The thing about schwa is that there are no set combinations of letters that form the sound. But it's about the rhythm of the language. It's about how the language sounds when we say it from a British perspective. So I was thinking how to teach this, how to help people to be able to say this sound in the correct way. Now, it's not perfect. I thought of some ways for my Polish clients and students to maybe substitute the Y, the Y in Polish, because that's a kind of sound and it's close but not perfect. So maybe another way that will help people to know how to pronounce English words. And I have a word written here on my piece of paper. If we say this with syllables, it would be the word chocolate. 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 Now that's how it looks, but the problem with English words is they often don't sound how they look, and that's a good example. It looks like chocolate, but we say this word chocolate. So when you hear a word like this, it's a simple example of course, but it hopefully illustrates what I mean. You hear a word, and if you're looking at that word or you've seen that word written down, it sounds nothing like it appears. So how to say these words? Well, I've written underneath another option, choc, and then you remove the O here, that should be here. So if you tried to say that first part of the word without the O, you would make the sound chocle, 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 chocolate. So this C and L, when you combine them, these consonants naturally make a kind of vowel sound. It's impossible not to make a vowel sound. It's a sound. It is the schwa sound, or very, very close. So chocolate, chocolate. You've got that sound naturally occurring. And the same is true of this. You take the A out here to say this part, and it's lut, lut. If you tried to say L followed by T without a vowel, it would create a lut sound. So then you combine it and you have chocolate, chocolate. And that's as close as you can get to the perfect pronunciation of this schwa sound. So whenever you're faced with a word that has a vowel, very often between two consonants, and you suspect it's the schwa sound, remove the vowel and try and say the two consonants together, like we've done here, chocolate, and then it is the perfect pronunciation. So hopefully that's been of some help. Ask the question, drop me a line, make some comment in the video if you feel that you'd like some more information about that. And of course, I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. So thank you for watching, and please tune in for next week's video.